I spoke to some surviving members of one such family on Wednesday. What I saw in that camp was heartbreaking. Families who had lost everything, surviving on aid.
This is a celebration of our teen club, and it's a great thing to have the First Lady here and be able to talk to young people that are surviving with HIV.
And thanks to advanced armor and medical technologies, our troops are surviving injuries that would have been fatal in previous wars.
Экономика, глобальные финансы сейчас переживают не лучшее время.
A global economy and global finance is surviving not the best of their times.
Firefighters from surrounding communities manned the stations so surviving volunteers could recover from their wounds.